welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very heartfelt, as you can tell by the title. I'm making pancakes. I'm using good old Jamie Oliver's recipe. Also just going to put it out there that I'm not a chef. Okay, so I think I've burnt the other pan that we used to use. Either that or it's in the dishwasher and I can't be bothered to check. So we've got this little pan and it's well cute. So let's begin. It says it serves 4, but there's only 1 of me. But I can't half an egg, so I'm just going to make the recipe and I won't eat it all, but yeah, right. The ingredients are 3 large free-range eggs. I only have 2. Didn't think this one through, did I? It'll be fine, it'll be fine. So I've got 2 eggs, not 3, but we're just gonna, this is just how well this is gonna go. I've got my little egg separator and my eggs, and I'm gonna cook, okay? Why do people trust me in the kitchen? What is 2/3 of 115?
The answer is about 76.6666.
Yeah, but I'm gonna get that accuracy. Oh my gosh, I actually have plain flour. Yay! Oh my gosh, this has a hole in it and it's going everywhere. I mean, I'll make more of a mess than that, so we'll see. 1 heaped teaspoon of baking powder. Right, do I even have baking powder? Yay! And 140 millilitres of milk. Let's go, because I'm getting hungry. So here I am in the corner of my kitchen. I'm going to move these out of the way because I do not need sun cream in this, which I probably will accidentally spray instead of the oil. Okay, number 1. First separate the eggs, putting the whites into one bowl and the yolks into another. Well, I can't crack eggs. Anyone must just crack the bowl. So, this is going to be fun, isn't it? Right. This is not working. Everyone cracks them in the hand. I don't get how they do it. Like, no, that's not working. We've reverted to the knife method because this egg is too strong. Like, I cannot crack that. This really doesn't help. Oh, damn it. I mean, I've got the yolk. It's fine. Like, it's fine. There's the yolk. Okay. This does not work very well for people who cannot crack eggs. I mean, that probably didn't even work either, but we're gonna... Oh, wait, it's working. Ow. Yeah, let's put that in there. Okay, I think we've come to the conclusion that I can't cook already. Like, I can't crack an egg. There's no shell in it, though. So that's an improvement from last time. Add the flour, baking powder, and milk to the yolks and mix a smooth, thick batter. Okay. Also, I'm gonna put some strawberry in this because I just want to. You probably don't even care. Like, you don't. So we need like 75, so that's way more than 75. 4th battery lucky. We are here. We're all right. Okay, I think that's about right. Right, this is making sense so far, so hopefully I've got this one in the bag. Yeah, so you've got lumps of flour in it. I'm really confused, but we're just gonna roll with it, you know? Because trust your abilities, kids. The next step says, whisk the whites with 1 pinch of sea salt until they form stiff peaks, then fold into the batter. Great, okay. The only whisk we have is like one that's part of a blender. Oh my god, the blender! Oh, genius, right, I can use that. Oh my gosh, this makes my life so much easier. Thank you. Yes. That's gonna have to be a pinch. How do I know when it gets to 50? Is that stiff peak? I think I might be at stiff peak. Yeah? I mean, let's hope that's stiff peaks. I'm sure it is, but I'm sure. Like, I'm sure. Fold into the batter, okay. Oh, that noise. I think I've done it, you know. That doesn't look too bad. That actually looks like pancake mix. Right, now to cut up some strawberries because I want some strawberries in this. I've got my strawberries, they're like about to go out of date. So I thought, why not use them in this? I don't know whether you're meant to, but we're gonna roll with it. Let's not drop those in there. Okay, I've kind of stained my hands with strawberries, but I think I've got enough to like make decent pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan over a medium heat. Pour some of the batter into the pan and cook for a couple of minutes or until it starts to look golden and firm. I didn't see where it says sprinkle your chosen flavouring onto the uncooked side. It's already in the batter, it'll work. And also I don't have a non-stick pan, it's just like a normal pan. So I'm gonna use some oil in the pan. So let's go, let's cook, yay! I'm gonna open the window because it's literally the hottest day of the year so far, and why am I cooking? Who knows? Okay, right, first pancake. Oh, that actually looks decent. And oh my god, the fan. So, I've made pancakes. They're not the same size, but we're not discriminating. So we have this small one, which actually looks alright. The big ones, yeah, might not be cooked, but it looks decent. And then the bottom one doesn't have any strawberry in it. So, I think that was a success. So, it says on the recipe, serve them with a drizzle of maple syrup. So, I'm going to use some maple syrup. All sorted, my pancakes are done. I'm going to cut up some more strawberry to put on the top of them, and I'm just excited to eat them, and I will give you my review. I have made such a mess. Yes. I actually managed to cook something. And they're actually nice, like they're not, oh, yes. I'm gonna finish eating my pancakes. I probably shouldn't have had 3 because that's probably my daily intake. I'm gonna get my phone and, you know, share it to social media because I'm too proud of it. Yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, let me know if you want me to do more cooking videos because I like food. Okay, right. Okay, bye. Try to figure out who I am.